What do the biggest names in power, telecommunications, commercial establishments, and real estate have in common? For over 50 years, they have trusted only one brand when it comes to safety, quality, and reliability. The American Wire and Cable Company, otherwise known as Duraflex, was established in 1955 to service the growing need for quality wires and cables in the Philippines. For over 50 years, Duraflex has been the supplier of choice for the safest and most reliable wires and cables used in electrical transmission, telecommunications, and construction projects, both big and small. On a 1.3-hectare factory in Bicutan, Parañaque, Amwire runs a state-of-the-art production facility utilizing the latest production technology and the most technologically advanced machines from around the world, regularly maintained by international technical auditors to ensure optimized running conditions. On the production floor, Amwire employs the most skilled engineers and technicians, trained by only the best experts both here and abroad. Moreover, to provide the highest level of safety and quality, Amwire follows strict local and international standards in the production of all its wires and cables. These include the International Standard Organization, or the ISO, Insulated Cable Engineers Association, American Society for Testing and Materials, National Electrical Code, Underwriters Laboratory, Rural Electrification Administration, National Electrical Manufacturers Association, British Standardization Institute, Japanese Industrial Standard, Philippine National Standard, Philippine Electrical Code, International Electrotechnical Commission, American National Standards, American Standard Association. Amwire spares no expense to ensure that every single strand of wire bearing the Duraflex name meets their most stringent quality standards and is safe enough to meet all of their clients' needs. Amwire's production process begins with selecting the best raw materials. To ensure quality and safety of all its products, Amwire uses only the best raw materials available. 99.9% pure continuous cast copper rod from Australia, Indonesia, and Taiwan are used for all of Amwire's copper products, while prime EC-grade continuous cast aluminum rod from Bahrain, Taiwan, Indonesia, Venezuela, and Norway are used for Amwire's aluminum products. During wire drawing, the raw material is cast through one or more dies to reduce its cross-sectional area to the desired diameter. Amwire uses 5 microprocessor-controlled multi-wire drawing machines to ensure consistent drawing properties. Here, individual wires are laid or grouped together in a fixed direction and length of lay, generally in 7, 19, 37, or 61 strands of hard, medium hard, or soft wires, depending on the requirement of the product. During the extrusion process, the bare wire is cast through a tip and die while a continuous coating of thermoplastic compounds are applied. The end result is a consistent, concentric insulation as ensured by the most advanced computer-controlled extrusion equipment in the Philippines. Finally, in the packaging process, the finished products are coiled and spooled by computerized and automated measuring and spooling machines into standard length prior to shipping. to ensure the quality and safety of its wires and cables. Quality control and assurance testing is done before they hit the market. A random sample is taken from the production line and tested for its various characteristics and properties. AmWire was the first in the country to introduce computer-controlled testing equipment and Sivomatic computerized testing system measuring telecommunication cables for conductor resistance, resistance unbalance, capacitance, and capacitance unbalance, as well as crosstalk and attenuation. Also, all extruded products pass through a Nikon profile projector to inspect its quality and consistency. Most importantly, AmWire is the only wire and cable company in the country to utilize a vertical cable tray flame test to test the fire propagation characteristics of extruded cables. AmWire's strict quality control and assurance measures ensure the quality and safety of each and every strand of wire that leaves the AmWire factory. How to measure lay length of wires. First, measure the diameter of the wire you want to test. In this case, it is 12 millimeters. Then, using carbon paper, make an imprint of the wire surface on a clean sheet of paper like so. Now, count 12 complete carbon marks of the wire on the clean sheet of paper. Mark it from end to end and then measure. This measurement is the lay length of your subject wire. A wire passes the lay length test if its lay length falls in between the minimum and maximum allowable lay length. The minimum measurement is computed by the wire's diameter multiplied by 10. And the maximum measurement is computed by the wire's diameter multiplied by 16. In this case, the wire's lay length of 145 mm falls within the 120 mm minimum and 172 mm maximum allowable lay length. For over 50 years, American Wire and Cable Company has been the trusted name in the construction needs of the biggest names in power, telecommunications, commercial establishments, and real estate. These include the Ayala Corporation, Meralco, Intel, PLDT, Smart Telecommunications, and Globe, among many others. AmWire's 50-plus-year-old legacy of quality and safety are all thanks to their well-trained staff, world-class production plant, and strict quality control. American Wire and Cable Company, over 50 years of quality and safety.